Audio Jungle.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Primitasari Hardianti, and you can call me Nita. Okay, here I will explain the four materials that have been studied before. This segment is the final assessment for the English language PIBA course brought by Mr. Al-Furqan. The material to be discussed: 1. Capital for needs and suggestion. Grammar focus on the future by going and wills, which is the material of the ninth meeting. 2. Time to celebrate the clause is relative focus on grammar, which is the material of the 12 meetings. 3. That my friend grammar focus relative pronouns, which is the material of 13 meetings. 4. Gerund process, which is the material of the 14th meeting. Okay, for the further discussion, let's look at the video. Okay, 1. Capital for needs and suggestion. Grammar focus on the future by going and wills. Okay, capital for needs and suggestions. Grammar focus on the future by going and will. There are two ways to discuss things to come, namely 1. Going to, 2. Will. Will and be going to are two expressions that have the same meaning of willpower. Both of them can be used in English sentence if you want to state a prediction or forecast or prediction of something. Used to describe things that are planned in the future, things that are certain and clear and definite plan to do. Example, I'll be tidying up the wardrobe tomorrow. As we will most often find, this will is asked in long-term planning and not knowing when to do it or not sure. Will be used to threaten. For example, if you don't stop preaching, then I tell your parents. Okay, next. Capital needs and suggestions. Describe security using the words must, need, must, and must not. For example, you have to brush your teeth before going to sleep. For the second sample, Rehan must wear a helmet when driving. Give suggestion using words better, should, shouldn't. For example, you shouldn't be carrying a lot of stuff. For the second example, Andika should have a passport when he wants to go abroad. Okay, for next material, the second material, time to celebrate clauses is relative focus on grammar. Time to celebrate clauses is relative focus on grammar. Relative clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adjective to explain a noun and provides an explanation of the noun in detail, using when in the relative adverb, which is used to describe the time when. For example, birthday is the day when my father buys me a new cell phone. So the word when combines two sentences. Next, sample conversations. A. I really like it. B. What do you like about that? A. This is a day when I gather with your family and eat rhombus and chicken opera with my family. Not only using the word when, but there is after, before. The second sentence becomes the fourth sentence must be marked with a comma. For example, before a man and woman get married, they usually open up to each other. 3. That's my friend's grammar focus relative pronouns. That's my friend's grammar focus relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are pronouns that are used to connect two sentences and describe a noun. Nouns here can be people, things, animals, and so on. As a clause object, for example, 1. I don't want to have roommates who wake up late. 2. I have some old friends who I like to ask for their help. So, the sentence above has a difference, namely in sentence 1 there is not a subject, and in sentence 2 there is a subject. Next, define a person with an adjective, then decide whether the words are positive or negative. For example, 1. Selfish. Someone who is just selfish and doesn't want to be criticized is negative. 2. Modest. Someone whose approach is not exaggerate is positive. This clause plus an adverbial clause with when, for example, 1. It makes me happy when mom gives me a cell phone gift. 2. I don't like it when someone doesn't show up on time. Next, 4. Gerund process. Gerund process. Gerund is a type of verbal which is formed from a verb that is given the suffix English and functions as a noun is a sentence. For example, 1. Become a teacher must be very beneficial because he will guide us to achieve your goals. 2. Having your own business will certainly be very challenging because it is always associated with large risk that will give you a lot of losses. Next, complete the sentence with the gerund process. For example, 1. I'm interested in participating in badminton competition. 2. I would love to visit the beach and see the sunset. 3. I enjoy cooking made by mother. After the preposition in, followed by the gerund participate. Okay, that is the material that I can convey. If there are mistakes and deficiencies, I'm sorry. Thank you for your attention. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.